Hi, this is Mrs. Geiger, and I'd like to talk to you about creating your own website. And the way you're going to do this is through Google Sites. So what you can do is sign into your school Google Mail, and then you're going to go up to the top menu bar and click the little down arrow. And you're going to see photos and then sites. And then we're going to click on sites. And you're going to go over and click the blue button to create site. This is going to be your site for the next 4 years. And it's going to be your site to change to fit you. And it will also, as you graduate, be an online e-portfolio for you. You're going to browse the template gallery over here on the end. And when you go into browse the template gallery, you're going to put in MCHS. And you're going to click search. And the MCHS student template will come up. And you're going to select that template. Click on it and then select it. And then you need to name your site. And you're going to use your Gmail login as your name. So my name is Susan Geiger. So I'm going to put in susan.geiger. And I'm also going to do your year of graduation 2014. Okay? And that's going to be your site name. And under choose a theme, it says you're currently using a template. And then down here on the bottom, I'm going to scroll up a little bit. It wants you to type the code that as shown. And it looks like GRANEST. We'll try that. And then click create site. And if it didn't like what you typed in, it'll give you another chance. So I'm going to do PHYOMO and hope that's what they want. And I'm going to click create site. And it is now creating the site. Okay, this is your site, so you can personalize it, add things to it, change it in any way you'd like, though we would like you to include all the pages that we have on the sidebar, because this will function as an e-portfolio for you. So as you see on the front page, it says this is a site where you can personalize to work for you during your 4 years in a row. And there's lots of things you can add to this page. You can add a calendar, all kinds of things. If you add a calendar, you can sync it with PowerSchool so it will upload your school assignments. There's lots and lots of ways that you can customize this page to work for you. The really important thing here, though, is you should make sure that the settings for your virtual space are private, and we'll show you that in just a minute. Okay, we also have a collaboration page where you can upload your current documents. Different documents and assignments. These are documents you could be working on in Google Docs with other people. We have a research page that was put up for you by the library, and it has links to some very important things from the library site, including our databases and the library catalog. You can click right here and you could go into our library catalog. You have a place to put videos, podcasts, and multimedia. The reflection page is, you know, like a little diary for you, okay? And you should make this page private, password protected. We also have a page that's going to link to your community service record. Okay, so now we're going to show you how you can edit the page. I'm going to go back to the home page and show you right here. You click on edit page. And this will allow you to go in and make edits on your page. Let me see. I'm just going to go in here and add a little note. If I click in here, I could put in, this is your page. Whoops. This is your page. Okay? All right. And I'm going to take that out right now, but this is how you would go in and edit your page. Okay? And I have a feeling that a number of you are going to want to change the look and feel of your page. So we're going to show you how that works. So once you have made changes, you click Save. We'll save. And under this More Actions button, this is where you go into your page settings. Okay, and this is all okay. So we're going to click Save. And we're going to go into Manage Site. Okay, under Manage Sites, you have the general information. Okay, you have your description of your site you could put in, whatever. And then under Sharing, this is really important. This is what you want to do. You want to unclick anyone in the world may view this site, because you want your site to be private. And then you can use your URL to share it with other people. Okay, you really want it, this is your site, you don't want anybody else being able to be in it and change anything. Okay, you can also go down here to Site Appearance, and it will allow you to add things to your sidebar. You can change the logo up on the top, and then down here you can do colors and fonts. You can pick a background image for your entire page, browse for it off of your desktop and put it in. You can view image, remove the image. Currently it's using the theme default, but you can change your colors. You can change the page background color, pick any of these colors, anything you want to do. Okay, there are themes to use. For example, you could look at this theme, you could preview it on your site and see what your site would look like with a theme. And you could pick any of the different themes and try them out if you didn't wish to customize each individual element. I hope you really enjoy having your own site, and you can add pages to this sidebar. You just go in and create a page. You click here to create a page. You could create a page for 9th grade. You could have a page for 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade, and 12th grade. All right, so we hope you enjoy using Google Sites to create your own web page. Thank you from Susan Geiger of the library team.